I'm Kate Pedersen. I'm the Energy Resilience Technical Assistance Program Manager within the Energy Division at the Department of Commerce, which serves communities across the state in defining what energy resilience means to them, finding workable systems to help meet those resilience goals, then matching them with funding, applying to funding, and ultimately getting systems installed. We're here today. We're running a workshop with a couple of different groups of communities who have been engaging with the Energy Division in different ways. So one of the things that I think is really important is I want these communities to talk to each other more so than just listen to me. I can talk all day. That's not a problem. But these communities only know what they know, and they don't know what they don't know. And they all come with different experiences and different ideas. And so when they talk to each other, they can learn from each other. And their ideas and their projects are grounded in reality. Whereas I like to talk in, conceptual, like what is a microgrid, or kind of help define some of these key concepts. But we really want to actually have them really start digging into the realities of what they're trying to do. So for me, the high is the fact that we've got 6 different communities in that room with different projects, serving different people, talking to each other about what does energy resilience mean to them, and what could it look like for them.